back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you how to make this Halloween Galaxy makeup. This is inspired from the Nebula and this is so easy to make. So if you want to know how to make this look, let's get jump to the tutorial. Start off by priming my face, and this time I'm using this Studio Tropik priming water. After that, I will be applying this Estee Lauder Doublewear foundation and blend it with a wet sponge like this. And after that, I will be applying concealer under my eye, and this time I'm using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer.
Here we go.
And I will set my concealer with this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in number 50. Set my entire face with this big brush like this. And with this, the Zulu by Juvia Place palette, I will take this pink color right here with the angle big brush like this. And I will be applying here. And a little bit to the front. And I will take this blue color right here from Morphe 39A palette with a blending brush and apply here. And I will use this Nazaru face and body painting in white color. This is water based. And I will take a little bit purple from this the Zulu palette by Juvia again and blend it between the blue. So it will create perfect nebula. And after that, I will take this blue eyeshadow from Sephora. This is called Pool Party, and put it on the center, on the white area. I'll take the pink color again to blend it out. And add a little blue in here. I will have pink in here because I changed my mind. I want to make it pink. Then I will apply the pink color on my crease. And the blue color from here for the outer corner. And blend it with the fluffy brush I use for my crease. And I will use the pink shimmer color right here from Juvia's Place. And I will put it on my lid. And I will use the same blue for my outer corner, for my under eye area. And take this shimmer pink again for the inner part. I will blend the center part again with the pink color. And I will draw my eyeliner. And I will put some falsies. And I'm going to use this L'Oreal Invaluable eyeliner for my lower lash line to make it more dramatic. And after after that, I'm going to use this Etude Wonder Fun Park Glitter Pigment in purple color. I will spread it here and there to make it more dramatic. I will put a little on my end to make it more pop. And I will use this NYX white eyeliner to make stars and to make freckles. Use a little highlighter on my cupid's bow and also on my chin, like I used to do. I'm going to use this Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Lipstick in Philosopher. This is purple lipstick and make it more matching. I will put a little glitter, a small glitter on the center of my lips to make it more shiny. Okay, so the look is finished. This is the Galaxy makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you like it. Don't forget to give thumbs up and also subscribe, and I'll see you again on my next video. And thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye.